So if you would like to get the derivative of a composite function, meaning we have a function inside a function. So we would be having the derivative of the outside function leaving the inside function times the derivative of the inside function. So let us have some examples. Let's say we would like to get the derivative of y is equal to the fourth power of 2x plus 3. So in this case, our inside function is 2x plus 3. First, we need to get the derivative of the outside function, leaving the inside function, meaning we still have 2x plus 3. And then we're going to get the derivative by using power rule. So this would be 4, and then the exponent would be 4 minus 1. And then multiply to the derivative of the inside function, which is 2x plus 3. So the derivative would be 4, and then we have 2x plus 3 raised to 3. The derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. To simplify, we have 4 times 2, and that would be 8. And we have 2x plus 3 raised to 3. So this is the derivative of the fourth power of 2x plus 3. For this example, for us to get the derivative, again, the derivative of the outside function leaving the inside function. So for us to get the derivative of this function, let us copy 3. And then for power rule, leaving the inside function, which is x squared plus 2x minus 5. So I have 5. And then for the exponent, we have 5 minus 1. And then get the derivative of the inside function. To continue, 3 by 5 is 15. And then we have x squared plus 2x minus 5 raised to 4. And the derivative of the inside function is 2x plus 2. To simplify, we can multiply 15 to this binomial. So we have 15 by 2x is 30x, and then 15 by 2, that would be 30. And then times the fourth power of x squared plus 2x minus 5. So this is now the derivative for this example. So to get the derivative of this function, let us have negative 2. If it's negative 2x, we are going to consider the product rule for our process. Since it's just negative 2, we are looking at this following the constant multiple rule. So for this part, we would be having 7 times the inside function, which is 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus x plus 9. We have 7 minus 1. And we need to get the derivative of the inside function. To continue, we have negative 14. So this would be raised to 6. And then the derivative of the inside function is 6x squared minus 14x plus 1. So we have negative 84x squared plus 196x minus 14, and let us just copy this factor. So this is now the derivative of the given function.